Hi, I'm here from POC English. Today, we are going to talk about my family. My family is a very important topic if you want to improve your English, and especially if you want to improve your English pronunciation skills. So in this lesson today, I'm going to show you how to pronounce each word correctly with the correct American accent pronunciation. And at the end of the lesson, I will give you a short speaking task so that you can practice your speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first thing I would like to say is, I have a large family. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. I have a large family. Let me explain the pronunciation of these two words. I is simple. It's just the letter I. Have is a very common verb in English. Remember that when we pronounce have, we don't pronounce the V. We just say H, A, V. Be careful not to pronounce have. This is incorrect. Remember, have, no V sound. A is simple, the letter A. Large is also a very common adjective in English, and it means very big. But be careful because the pronunciation of this word is a little bit tricky. It's not large, it's L, R, G. Notice that the R is silent. Many students make this mistake. They think that the pronunciation of this word is large. No. The R is silent, so it's L, R, G. Okay, now put everything together. I have a large family. I have a large family. The next thing I would like to say is, I have two parents. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. I have two parents. Let me explain the pronunciation of these three words. Two is the number two. It's not pronounced two. Two is an adverb, and it means also, or to the utmost degree. For example, I want pizza. I want pizza too. In this sentence, two means also, or this bag is too small. It doesn't fit my laptop. Here, two means to the utmost degree, so two is the number two. It's not pronounced two. Parents is the plural form of parent. We use this word when we are talking about the mother and the father. If we are talking about only the mother, we use the word mother. If we are talking about only the father, we use the word father. But if we are talking about both the mother and the father, we need to use the plural form. So parents is the mother and the father. It's pronounced parents, not parent, and not parentees. Parents. Okay. Now put everything together. I have two parents. I have two parents. Now let's continue. My mother is from Korea. Okay. Let me repeat it one more time. My mother is from Korea. Let me explain the pronunciation of these three words. My is simple. It's my. Mother is the word for the female parent. It's pronounced mother, not mom. Remember that mom is a very informal word. You should only use this word if you are speaking to your friends or family members. When you are speaking to strangers or people that you don't know very well, you should always use the word mother. And Korea is a country in Asia. It's a beautiful country. So it's pronounced Korea, not Korea. Korea is a word that means very central and very important. For example, he is the core of our team. So Korea is the country. It's pronounced Korea. Now put everything together. My mother is from Korea. My mother is from Korea. Now let's continue. My father is from America. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. My father is from America. Let me explain the pronunciation of these three words. My is simple. It's my. Father is the word for the male parent. It's pronounced father, not dad. Remember that dad is a very informal word. You should only use this word if you are speaking to your friends or family members. When you are speaking to strangers or people that you don't know very well, you should always use the word father. And America is a country in North America. It's a huge country, so it's pronounced America, Now put everything together. My father is from America. My father is from America. Now let's continue. I have 4 siblings. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. I have 4 siblings. Let me explain the pronunciation of these 3 words. 4 is the number 4. It's not pronounced 4. 4 is a preposition. It means to use something for a specific purpose. For example, I bought this book for my mom. Here, 4 means to use something for a specific purpose. So 4 is the number 4. It's not pronounced 4. Siblings is the word that we use for brothers and sisters. For example, if you have 1 brother and 1 sister, you have 2 siblings. It's pronounced siblings. Now put everything together. I have 4 siblings. I have 4 siblings. Now let's continue. I am the oldest child. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. I am the oldest child. Let me explain the pronunciation of these 3 words. Oldest is a superlative adjective. It means the most old. For example, if you have 3 brothers and you are the oldest, you are the most old among your brothers. So when we use oldest, we are comparing more than 2 things. So we need to use this superlative adjective. Oldest is a superlative adjective. It's pronounced oldest, not oldest. Child is a very common noun in English. It's pronounced child. Now put everything together. I am the oldest child. I am the oldest child. Now let's continue. My younger brother is studying at university. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. My younger brother is studying at university. Let me explain the pronunciation of these 4 words. Younger is a comparative adjective. It means not the most young, but young compared to someone else. For example, if you have 3 brothers and you are the middle brother, you can say that your youngest brother is your younger brother. Here we are comparing 2 people, your youngest brother and you. So we need to use a comparative adjective. So younger is a comparative adjective. It's pronounced younger, not younger. Brother is a noun. It's the male sibling. It's pronounced brother. Is studying is a present continuous tense. To form the present continuous tense, we use is or am plus verb plus ing. For example, what are you doing right now? I am studying English. Right now, I am teaching you English. I am teaching you English. Now put everything together. My younger brother is studying at university. My younger brother is studying at university. Now, I would like to give you a speaking task. Please answer these questions in full sentences. Can you use all the vocabulary that I taught you in this lesson? Of course, you can use more vocabulary. This is just a suggestion. Number 1, what is your name? No. 2, how many members are there in your family? Number 3, who are they? Number 4, do you have any siblings? Who are they? And no. 5, what do you do in your family? For example, who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Who studies at university? Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button below the video and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.